First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Still seeing some shower activity even this morning after yesterday's kind of slow and steady rainfall across parts of southern Kentucky. As we look at First Alert Live Doppler radar this morning, we see scattered showers mainly east of us and some more showers back to the west, but it's these showers which are a little bit more composed and are producing a little bit better rainfall as you head out 6880, the Cumberland Parkway, and then as 68 breaks off in Edmonton and splits with 80. If you're headed north on 68, maybe around Sulphur Well, if you're headed that direction, you're going to find, as it runs into Highway 70, you're going to find some shower activity there. Pretty decent downpour as you move into northern Metcalfe County and then just north of Edmonton, and then sliding over to Adair County just west of Columbia as you travel that direction. And then even up 31E through just outside of Hinesville and then on up into parts of Hart County, getting some light rain there this morning. Well, let's check some of the air quality information this morning and improvements here because of the cloud cover and the showers yesterday. Pollen count back down into the low category. Ozones and molds, which were moderate, have also come back down. And then the UV index is in the moderate category because it is going to stay pretty much mostly cloudy, I think, for today. And where we've picked up rain this morning, mainly east of the Bowling Green area, 1/1600ths of an inch of rain just this morning in Scottsville at the Mesonet site there. And you see anywhere around a tenth, less than a tenth of an inch, maybe up to 5/100ths of an inch of rain out in most locations to the east of us. Temperatures in the 60s this morning, mostly mid and upper 60s at the Kentucky Mesonet sites. Live from the Doppler cam, or weather cam down Scottsville Road at Independence Bank. Quiet and cloudy this morning, 67 degrees currently with an east-southeast wind, 100% humidity. The barometer is rising. We go west to Greenville, Muhlenberg County, 67 degrees there this morning. Munfordville, north of you or south of you are actually getting some shower activity and some light rain falling even here in Munfordville at this hour. And you've picked up 3/100ths of an inch of rain so far. You're at 68 degrees. Here's Russellville and Logan County, starting cloudy this morning with a temperature of 67. And that's the temperature at the Bowling Green Airport at this hour. 60 out to Charleston, 61, Raleigh, Durham as you head out west, 70, Memphis, 71, up in St. Louis. We're 1 degree cooler than we were at this hour just yesterday. And the dew point still running high in the mid-60s for the most part, which all this green painted area indicates there's lots of available moisture for any shower activity to get going today. All we need is a trigger, and the trigger has been an upper level disturbance, kind of just wringing out some of this moisture that's coming up. The flow is out of the Gulf of Mexico, so scattered showers look to continue. Not everybody's going to get wet today like yesterday, but where it does rain, you could pick up on some heavier showers. And then look at that batch of showers and thunderstorms out in the Central Plains. In fact, a closer inspection of that. This is where severe weather is going to take place today. Des Moines to Kansas City to Lincoln, back to Sioux Falls. That's a clash of two air masses. In fact, look at the 70s, 60s, and 70s ahead of that system. Back behind it, look at the cool down, 30s, 40s, and 50s. That's why they're looking at a severe weather threat out in parts of the Central Plains today. But back here at home, it's just going to be cloudy. Occasionally a shower or two may pop up now and then. Not a big deal today, kind of like yesterday. Not everybody gets wet. But as we get into tonight and tomorrow, less of a chance of showers as that disturbance moves out. We'll just see a mix of sun and clouds for your Friday, maybe a slight chance of a late day shower, but the better chance of rain we think is going to start to appear Saturday afternoon and evening and into Sunday as this front coming in from the west interacts with a disturbance in the Gulf of Mexico, which could become Tropical Storm Karen if things keep going as we see it now. Scattered showers, maybe a thunderstorm today at 80 for a high. Tonight, partly cloudy, 61. Tomorrow, 84 with a slight chance, only a slight chance of a late day shower. 82 on Saturday. We'll see a 30% chance of a shower there, but the better chance of rain now looks to be Saturday night and during the day Sunday as that front stalls out. And that means heavy rain potential, not necessarily severe weather, but that's a little bit of better news for everybody doing the roller coaster, which, by the way, starts today. and runs through Saturday. We were a little bit worried that some of that would get rained out Saturday, but it appears now that, you might be all right, just a shower here and there during the course of the yard sale.